There's a conversation I had 6 hours ago that won't leave my head. 3 minutes long, completely normal. A coworker asked about a project. I answered. They nodded and walked away. That was it. But I've been rewinding those 3 minutes ever since, going over what I said, what they said, what I should have said instead. Trying to figure out if I sounded defensive when I wasn't trying to be defensive. Maybe you've felt that pull too. When a conversation ends, but your brain refuses to let it end. It's Wednesday morning. I'm at my desk. There's a text on my phone from last night. 3 words. Yeah, sounds good. I sent it to a friend. Simple response, but I'm reading it again now for the 8th time. Does it sound flat? Cold? Should there have been an exclamation point? An emoji? Something to show I actually care, even though the words themselves are fine? I know this doesn't make sense. 3 words can't carry the weight I'm putting on them. But my brain has decided that, yeah, it sounds good without punctuation, just communicated disinterest to someone I care about, and I can't unsend it, can't clarify it without making it weird. So I just sit here, staring at 3 words, replaying how they must have landed. I'm walking to my car after work, and I'm thinking about the meeting. Someone asked a question. I answered. In the moment, I thought my answer was fine. But now, crossing the parking lot, I'm hearing my own voice again. The way I used kind of 3 times in one sentence. The way I paused before answering like I wasn't sure. I was sure I knew the answer. I just didn't sound like I knew. And now, I'm wondering if everyone in that room thinks I do and know what I'm talking about. The pattern didn't click until recently. I don't replay conversations to see what went right. I'm scanning for what went wrong. For the moment I said the wrong thing, used the wrong tone, gave the wrong impression. My brain isn't reviewing the conversation. It's collecting evidence. Evidence that I messed up. I'm not as competent or clear as I want people to believe. Thursday night, my friend calls. We talk for 20 minutes. It's easy, comfortable. We laugh, then we hang up. And immediately, not 5 minutes later, not an hour later, immediately, I'm replaying one specific moment. About 5 minutes in, I interrupted them. I didn't mean to. I thought they were finished. They weren't. They paused, then kept talking. It was fine. They didn't seem bothered. But I noticed, and now I can't stop noticing. I think about texting. Sorry I interrupted you earlier, but that would turn a forgotten moment into a thing, so I don't text. I just sit here replaying the pause, building a case that they think I'm rude, that I don't listen. That one interruption changed their entire perception of me. It hit me on the drive home yesterday. I'm not replaying these conversations to understand them better. I'm replaying them because I can't control how my words landed. I can control what I said, except I can't anymore because it's already been said. So all I can do is replay it, over and over, hoping that if I review it enough times, I'll find proof it was fine. That people don't think about me the way I think about me. But I never find that proof. Friday night, sitting on my couch. A conversation happened today. Normal conversation. I can feel my brain reaching for it, wanting to rewind, wanting to analyze, but this time I try something different. I don't let it play. I just sit with the discomfort of not reviewing every word I said, of letting the conversation be finished instead of carrying it into the night. It's uncomfortable. My brain wants the replay, wants to scan for mistakes, but I don't give it that. I just breathe. And after a few minutes, the urge is still there. It's quieter. I don't know if I'll manage this tomorrow. Don't know if it's something I can stop or just something I'll carry. But right now, I'm not replaying anything. Just sitting here, and maybe that's enough. Do you do this? The midnight rewinding, the text analysis, the meeting replay where you catalog every and kind of. I'm trying to figure out if it's just me or if this is something we all carry. If you've lain awake replaying something nobody else is still thinking about, leave a comment. I read all of them. And if you want more of these kinds of conversations, the uncomfortable ones we don't usually have out loud, hit subscribe. Maybe we can figure this out together.